Hi students, good morning. Last two classes multiplications of fractions பார்த்தோம். First one multiplication by a whole number. Next multiply the fraction by a fraction. Now division of a fraction. Division of fraction. Right. ஒரு fractions நம்ம divide பண்றோம். எப்படி பார்ப்போம். For example, 7 divided by 3 by 4. It is whole number by fraction. The whole number divided by fraction. 7 divided by 3 by 4. Very easy. First you keep it the same 7. It is divided and it is division. For example, the 7 by 2 nochike. 7 divided by 2. It is meaning 7 divided by 2. So it is called division. It is called division. This one called dividend. Okay, right. So the dividend we keep it as same. The multiply with reciprocal of division. The dividend, this is dividend. Multiply with the reciprocal of division. What is reciprocal? The second fraction. The divide by the division. This is reciprocal. Reciprocal na first answer. How can find the reciprocal? Very easy. Interchange in the numerator and denominator. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? 4 by 3. That's all. So reciprocal fraction means the interchanging the numerator denominator. Numerator change to denominator, then denominator change to numerator. 3. It is a denominator here. 4 here denominator, here numerator. So the dividend multiply with division of reciprocal. Or reciprocal of division. Okay. Now already you know the multiplication rules. What is that? Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. It's a whole number. So keep the same denominator 3. The whole number multiply with the numerator of the fraction. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 divided by 3. That's all. 28 divided by 3. Okay. So the first dividend we keep it as same. First dividend we keep it as same. You want to find the reciprocal of divisor. Reciprocal of division. Okay. So if you are unable to understand in first time now, no problem. Once again you rewind the video, then watch it. Clearly you can understand. Okay. Right. Next one. 8 by 5 divided by 7. Now fraction by whole number. The fraction divided by whole number. Fraction divided by whole number. Here, which is division? It is division. 7 is division. The 8 by 5 is dividend. The 8 by 5 you keep it as same 8 by 5. 8 by 5 you keep it as same 8 by 5. Then multiply with a reciprocal of division. Here what is the reciprocal? What is the reciprocal of 7? Numerator denominator illa. So change from then confuse avadadu. Okay, here you assume as denominator is 1. Here you assume is denominator is 1. 7 by 1 value 7. So now interchange the numerator and denominator. 1 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of 7? 1 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 7? 1 by 7. No product. Okay, this simple change patra, keep it in mind. The division multiply with the reciprocal of division. Multiply with the reciprocal of division. If once you multiplication by wrote na, want to write the reciprocal of division. Okay, now product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So 8 divided by 35. 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 1, 8. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 7, 35. Are you clear? Very simple. Multiply with reciprocal. The second fraction. Okay, you want to find the reciprocal second. Not a second. Okay. Original because of right. This is division. Reciprocal of division. Next product rules. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Okay. So division by a whole number over. Fraction by whole number by fraction over. Next fraction divided by fraction. Next third one, 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. Okay, it is a mixed fraction. It is a mixed fraction. Suppose mixed fraction if you given first want to convert to improper, keep it in mind. Mixed fraction கொடுத்தனா first mixed fraction convert பண்ணு, அதுக்கு அப்புறம் addition multiplication you check it. Okay, first you want to convert the mixed fraction to improper. Next you do the operation plus or minus or multiplication or division, whatever given. Okay, right. First solution. So you keep it as same. Find, don't write as multiplication symbol. Why? Because in the we cannot find the reciprocal of mixed fraction. We cannot find the reciprocal of mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction we want to convert to improper. How will convert? The whole number multiply with the denominator. The whole number multiply with the denominator. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. Then add with the numerator. Add with the numerator. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 4 25. So answer 25 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7. 25 divided by 7. Next. Now it is a whole number. It is a fraction. Now you can do the next procedure. 5. So division what is that? Multiply with the reciprocal. Multiply with the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 25 by 7? 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Next way, product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of numerators divided by product of numerators divided by product of denominators. The denominator only one, so keep it the same. So 5 sevens are 35. So answer 35 divided by 25. 35 divided by 25. Here we can simplify. Both are divisible by 5. Both are divisible by 5. So 7 5s are 35. 5 5s are 25. So simplification 7 by 5. Okay. The 7 by 5 again we can convert to mixed fraction. In 7 how many 5s are there? 1. 1 5 is 5. Remainder 2. Keep the same denominator. Keep the same denominator. That's all. Okay, first the given mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 3 sevens are the whole number, multiply with the denominator. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 4 25. 25 by 7. 25 by 7. Okay, then next the dividend multiply with the division. So 25 by 7 is 7 by 25. 7 by 25. So 5 sevens are 35. Now 25 keep it the same. So both are divisible by 5. We can divide 7 by 5. 7 5s are 25. Sorry, 7 5s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 7 by 5. Again convert to mixed fraction. 1 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5. Next question. 3 1 by 2 divided by 7. 3 1 by 2 sorry. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. Right. So first I can read the question. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. The mixed fraction you convert into improper. Mixed fraction convert into improper. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. Then divide by 4. Divide by 4. Okay. Now fraction divide by whole number. Fraction divide by whole number. Okay. Next. First you keep the dividend 7 by 2, multiply with the reciprocal. Multiply with the reciprocal of division. What is divisor? 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay? 4 by 1. So reciprocal of 4 by 1, 1 by 4. Next you take product of numerator 7 into 1. Product of numerator 7 into 1 divided by product of denominators. Product of denominator. So 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 1, 7. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So answer 7 by 8. 7 by 8. It is a proper fraction. We cannot convert to mixed fraction. So you keep it as same. Keep it as same. First in the mixed fraction convert to improper. Then multiply with the reciprocal of division. Are you clear? Next exercise 2.4. Second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction, and whole number. என்ன மீனிங்னா கொடுத்துருக்கு வந்து ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணனும். அந்த ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணது வந்து ப்ராப்பர் ஃபிராக்ஷனா இம்ப்ராப்பர் ஃபிராக்ஷனா ஹோல் நம்பரா அப்படினு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? சோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 3/7. What is the reciprocal of 3/7? Reciprocal of 3/7 is 7/3. What is the reciprocal of 3/7? 7/3. 7/3 is a improper fraction. 7/3 is improper fraction. So proper fraction இருந்துச்சுனா improper fraction வரும். 3/7 is proper fraction. Reciprocal is improper fraction. Okay, that's all. So இதோட sums ல ஹோம்வொர்க் பண்ணலாமா? One more sum, 1/8. 1/8 is improper fraction. அப்ப இதோட reciprocal proper தான் வரணும் இல்ல. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 1/8? 8/1. It is equal to 8. 8/1 it is equal to 8. What is 8? What is 8? Whole number. 8 is whole number. Okay, that's all. Thank you, students. So today's homework I will send by photocopy. Exercise 2.4 first, second, third. I will choose some problems. Okay. Thank you, students.